Back with another behind the scenes. Y'all remember when I thought I'd go ahead and just switch up this here? I'm about to show you some behind the scene photos, complete with the fireplace. Hey Google. And this is where I'm putting it, right here. So I'm putting this together. Another series of things that I'm doing. And, I thought I'd just stop before I go got too far. Okay, good people. I got this fireplace going in. Just trying to get this wall completed before I start. See that? So it will fit flush. As you see in the earlier video, in here, the glass for the fireplace fits flush. So if you have it flush like this, the glass won't fit on it properly. Now the problem with it sitting flush is that you actually want it to sit flush with the whatever type of sheetrock or material that you have on top. So you're going to have to put either sheetrock, and in my case, I'm using a insulation the same thickness as the sheetrock behind it. But clearly, anybody with reasonable skills can look and see that they wouldn't work. So I knew that I was going to have to do something like that. Doing so would bring the fireplace out flush with the. So that's why I am right now. So just continue to watch my updates, and let's see if I have a successful failure with this. Okay, as you can see now, I got my power ran for this. It's coming along. So stay tuned, and then I'm going to be kind of fixing all this stuff up next with the heated towel rack. Okay, this is what I mean by that caulking.